Hey, tech lovers! Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of Apple's AirPods, specifically the second-generation AirPods. Are they as good as they say? Let's find out. Apple's AirPods have revolutionized how we listen to music and manage our calls. Lightweight, with a sleek white design, these in-ear headphones promise a high-quality auditory experience. They're known for their fast and stable Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity, ensuring a flawless connection with your Apple devices. What makes them stand out? First, the sound quality. Powered by Apple's H1 chip, they deliver clear and crisp sound. Their setup is incredibly simple, just a single tap syncs them with your device. Plus, they boast an impressive battery life, offering over 24 hours of listening time with their charging case. Now, let's talk about some aspects that might be important for some users. Although the sound quality is solid, they don't have active noise cancellation, a feature present in other models like the AirPods Pro. Also, while the design is comfortable, it might not fit perfectly in every ear. And for non-Apple users, the functionality can be somewhat limited, especially on Android devices. Regarding the price, they're at the higher end of the spectrum. But, considering their quality and features, they can be a worthwhile investment. It's also important to note that the base model does not include a wireless charging case, though it can be purchased separately. In conclusion, Apple's second-generation AirPods are a solid choice for those seeking sound quality, ease of use, and perfect integration with the Apple ecosystem. They are ideal for daily use, whether for listening to music, making calls, or just enjoying their comfort. If you're interested in acquiring the second-generation Apple AirPods, you can find the link in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more reviews and tech updates. See you next time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video if you enjoyed it and comment your thoughts on the AirPods. See you in the next video.